In this short tutorial, you will learn how to easily change the notification sound on your Android device. Sometimes the default notification sound can be monotonous or easily missed. That's why it's great to know that you can change this sound and make it more distinct. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down a bit and tap Sounds and Vibration. After that, tap Notification Sound. Now you have the ability to change the notification sound on your Android device. Just tap on any of these sounds to select them. It will play the selected sound, so you can listen to it and hear what it's going to sound like. You can scroll down this list and choose any sound you like. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.